Yeah.
Hello everybody, it's me Mason and Bentley, and we're going to be eating Firework Oreos with popping candy in it.
And I need to tell you something. There's another video of us eating mystery peeps. Okay, so let's open it.
Oh, wait, show him the cover. Show him the cover.
What cover?
Like the front. Show him the popping candy in it.
The popping rainbow candy in there.
Like the blue stuff.
And now let me open it. I know what it is. Let me grab.
Those look so good.
Let me grab this one.
Popping candy.
And on the count of 3, we're going to eat them. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good.
This is so good. Popping candy. You want to hear it?
Do you want to hear it? No! No!
You want to hear it?
Do you want to hear it?
Please like and subscribe to the video, and we'll tell you how it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.